Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's me, Adam, and you are watching Unlimited Options Investing. It's that time of quarter again, earnings season. In front of us, the most anticipated earnings releases for the month beginning April 18th, 2022. So for this specific video, we'll just be talking about the week of the 18th, and then every week following, we'll be talking about what earnings are coming out that specific week. So before we get into the video, this is your first time on the channel, welcome aboard and hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and check into my description below. Links for my Instagram, my TikTok, and my Twitter in the description. Check it out. Alright, so last week we started off earnings with the big banks as we usually do. JP Morgan Chase, Citibank, Wells Fargo, bank credit services like Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs. Monday is when we have Bank of America and other financial names like Charles Schwab. But the real fun begins on Tuesday. We have big S&P 500 names such as Netflix, Johnson & Johnson, IBM, and Lockheed Martin. The big name being Netflix. I can't believe it's at $341 now. I'm pretty sure this is pre-pandemic pricing from when I first got into the market. I remember it jumped up from the 300s to the 400s and then peaking right at $700 back in November. And since then, what a drop, down 50%. With, of course, one of the most popular brands in the world right now, Tesla. This one not quite down 50% from its all-time highs, but a nice little haircut of, let's say, 20%. For how volatile this stock trades, 20%, it could make it up in probably a few days if it wanted to. It could also lose an extra 20% in a few days if it really wanted to. The moves on the stock can be absolutely wild. Back in October of 2021, it ran up 40% in a couple of weeks. From about a month ago to the peak recently, again another 50% from trough to peak. Not to mention, just last week, Giga Texas had just opened, and a few weeks prior to that, about a month ago from now, Giga Berlin also opened. These factories opening up can only help the delivery numbers increase over time. Another big name that goes under the radar is ASML. Very, very underrated company, a market cap of $243 billion. Pretty well off its all-time high that it hit back in September, just under $900 a share. So a pretty sizable move forward since that peak, down 30+%. And this company actually makes the machines that make semiconductors, selling to companies like TSM, for example. Also having dividend names like Procter & Gamble and Abbott, and United also reporting after Delta had reported last week. On Thursday, a continuation of the airlines with American Airlines, Snap, AT&T, and United Pacific Railway, one company that I had back last year and I sold out of it too early as a trade. It was at under $200. I sold it too early and it ran up to $250, but that's neither here nor there. And on Friday, popular names Cleveland Cliffs, Verizon, American Express, and Kimberly-Clark. So a pretty interesting week ahead, but really the big name everyone is going to be having their eye on is going to be Tesla and to a degree Netflix as well. And it's only going to get more exciting from here looking at the next couple of weeks, but we'll get to that next week. Otherwise, that is the end of my video. Thank you very much for watching as always. Let me know in the comments below which companies are you most looking forward to reporting their earnings this week. Let me know. As always, subscribe and like. Check out my description, my TikTok, my Instagram, and my Twitter. And I will see you guys in the next video.